The Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa has indicated that significant changes are on the horizon with a cabinet reshuffle expected soon. Anamena mashoko atinoti tungamiri wenyika oti aiwa tiri pazororo but tingobuda ndokuda kungorwa marishafo mucabinet noda kuti kune vamwe vanhu vasiri kushanda zvokuti tingasvike navo muour vision 2030. Senda muna masvika mudanyika panapa munhu subscribe like what on the bell icon. Ndimira chiti the ZANU-PF leader made these remarks during a recent interview with the ZBC News at State House. Sources suggest that Mnangagwa was preparing to restructure his cabinet to reduce the influence of those perceived to be loyal to the deputy, Constantino Chiwenga. This move is seen as part of an ongoing power struggle within the ruling party. Ndiri kumirira kuti vanhu vapedze kufara ndozovaudza vanofanira kudzokera kubasa nevanofanira kugara kumba depending on performance. Mnangagwa stated in the interview in English, he said, "I'm waiting for people to finish celebrating, then I will tell them who should return to work and who should stay at home, depending on performance." This statement has fueled speculation that the reshuffle may be a calculated move to strengthen Mnangagwa's grip on both the party and the government by sidelining those whose allegiance may lie with Chiwenga. Tensions have reportedly been rising within ZANU-PF, with the various factions vying for power and influence following the 2023 elections. Additionally, with constitutional provisions stating that Mnangagwa is not expected to remain in office beyond 2028, these moves could also be seen as preparations for a transition of leadership. Tomashoko anodanyogwa panapa navakomana muZimbabwe achiti aiwa nawo hema reshuffles iri kutaurwa panapa inogona iri calculated move yekuda kusimbisa his grip on power. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda comment section medu. Tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.